What if better health didn't require extreme workouts, strict diets, or expensive supplements? Just a simple daily routine backed by science. In this video, I'll walk you through an easy, realistic routine that improves your health day by day. Many people struggle with consistency because most health advice is overwhelming. Research in longevity science and preventive medicine shows that small, repeatable daily habits have the biggest long-term impact on energy, immunity, heart health, and mental well-being. This video breaks down a simple daily routine for better health, built around longevity habits backed by science. Habits that support your body naturally and fit into real life. Achieving a healthier lifestyle doesn't demand drastic, overwhelming overhauls. Instead, profound improvements often stem from simple, consistent daily routines that you can easily integrate into your life. Our goal today is to explore how small, manageable habits can significantly enhance both your physical and mental well-being. By incorporating these practices regularly, you'll build a foundation for a healthier, more fulfilling life. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection, and every small step truly counts. Let's discover how these foundational habits can transform your everyday. Let's start with the simplest yet most crucial habit: hydration. Begin each day by drinking a large glass of water right after waking up. This simple act helps to rehydrate your body after hours of sleep, kickstarting your metabolism and energy levels. Continue to drink water consistently throughout the day, making it your primary beverage choice. Aim to replace sugary drinks like sodas and juices with plain water. Your body will thank you for this essential nutrient. Staying well hydrated supports every bodily function, from digestion to cognitive performance. Keep a water bottle handy as a constant reminder to sip throughout your day. This small change can make a monumental difference. Next, let's talk about mindful eating, focusing on what you eat and how you eat it. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods as the cornerstone of your diet. Think fresh produce, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Make an effort to incorporate a variety of fruits into your meals and snacks. These natural powerhouses provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Similarly, load up on vegetables at every opportunity, adding color and nutrients to your plate. Ensure your meals include lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu to support muscle health and satiety. Don't forget whole grains such as oats, quinoa, or brown rice for sustained energy and digestive health. These choices fuel your body efficiently. Beyond what you eat, focus on how you eat. Practice savoring each bite, noticing the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. This helps you appreciate your meal and connect with your body's signals. Pay close attention to your body's hunger cues. Eating when you're truly hungry, not just out of habit or boredom. Equally important, listen to your body's fullness cues, stopping when you feel satisfied, not overly stuffed. This mindful approach prevents overeating. Finally, avoid distractions while eating, especially screens like phones or televisions. Give your meal your full attention. This practice enhances digestion and helps you truly enjoy your food, making eating a more satisfying experience. Incorporating regular movement into your day is vital for both physical and mental vitality. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise on most days of the week. This doesn't have to be strenuous or complicated. Think about activities you genuinely enjoy. Brisk walking is an excellent, accessible option that offers numerous benefits. Cycling, whether outdoors or on a stationary bike, is another fantastic way to get your heart rate up. Dancing is a joyful and effective form of exercise that can boost your mood and fitness. The key is to choose activities that you look forward to, making consistency much easier to maintain. Find what sparks joy for you. Beyond dedicated exercise sessions, integrate movement into your daily life. Break up long periods of sitting with short walks or stretches every hour or so. This prevents stiffness and keeps your circulation flowing. Make conscious choices to move more, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. Park a little further away to add extra steps to your day. These small adjustments accumulate over time. Even your lunch break can be an opportunity for movement. Take a short walk around the block or find a quiet spot for some gentle stretching. Every bit of activity contributes to your overall health and energy levels. Quality sleep is non-negotiable for optimal health and well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep each night. This is when your body repairs itself and your mind processes information. Establish a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up around the same time every day. Consistency helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, known as your circadian rhythm. Maintain this schedule even on weekends to reinforce healthy patterns. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could involve reading a book for pleasure, allowing your mind to disengage from daily stressors. Avoid screens during this time. Another wonderful option is taking a warm bath or shower before bed. The warmth helps relax your muscles and signals to your body that it's time to prepare for rest. These rituals promote deeper, more restful sleep. Effective stress management is crucial for your overall health, impacting everything from your immune system to your mood. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine to help maintain balance. Practice deep breathing exercises for just a few minutes each day. Slow, deliberate breaths can calm your nervous system and reduce feelings of anxiety. This simple technique is accessible anywhere, anytime. Consider incorporating meditation into your routine, even for a short period. Mindfulness meditation can help you observe your thoughts without judgment, fostering a sense of inner peace and clarity. There are many guided meditations available to help you start. Spending time in nature is another powerful stress reliever. A walk in a park, sitting by a body of water, or simply observing the trees can significantly reduce stress hormones. Connect with the natural world around you. These practices aren't just about reacting to stress, they're about building resilience. By proactively managing stress, you protect your mental and physical health, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Beyond the physical, nurturing your mental and emotional well-being is equally important. Cultivate positive habits that uplift your spirit and promote self-care. Start by practicing gratitude daily. Take a moment each day to acknowledge things you are thankful for, no matter how small. This simple practice can shift your perspective and foster a more positive outlook. It reminds you of the good in your life. Actively connect with loved ones, whether through a phone call, a video chat, or in-person visits. Strong social connections are vital for emotional support and a sense of belonging. Nurture these relationships. Engage in activities you genuinely enjoy and make time for hobbies that bring you pleasure. Whether it's painting, gardening, or playing an instrument, these activities provide a much-needed mental break and creative outlet. Read a book purely for pleasure, allowing yourself to get lost in a story or learn something new. Listening to music that resonates with you can also be incredibly therapeutic and mood-boosting. Let the melodies transport you. Make a conscious effort to do something each day that brings you joy, however small. These moments of self-care are not luxuries, they are essential for your well-being. They replenish your energy and spirit. These positive habits offer numerous benefits. They boost your mood, significantly reduce stress, and promote an overarching sense of well-being. They are investments in your happiness and resilience. Embarking on this journey to better health through simple daily routines requires a few key principles for success. First and foremost, consistency is absolutely key. Small actions performed regularly yield significant results over time. Don't feel pressured to change everything at once. Start small, choosing 1 or 2 habits to focus on initially. Once those feel natural, gradually add more. This approach prevents overwhelm and builds sustainable change. Be patient with yourself throughout this process. There will be days when you falter, and that's perfectly normal. The important thing is to gently redirect yourself and get back on track without self-judgment. Finally, remember to celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how minor it seems. Acknowledging your efforts reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. Every step forward is a victory. By embracing these simple, consistent habits, you are actively choosing a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. You have the power to transform your well-being, one mindful day at a time. If you want better health without burnout, this routine is for you. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to feel better every day. Thanks for watching the video.